Well, she's 5'1". Well, let's be honest, 5'9" when you add the hair and shoes, and she's totally made out of cake.
Yep, don't grab your fork just yet. ABC 15's Adam Slinger tells us why this life-size Lady Gaga isn't edible.
There's a wood structure that's up through her, and dowels, PVC pipe, lots of wood structures coming up, so it helps the cantilever of hold the weight of the cake.
And it's a lot of weight, more than what the real Lady Gaga weighs, 180 pounds to be exact. The frosting and fondant alone weigh 80 pounds.
It's been a good challenge figuring out how to build her structure so everything would hold. It's wobbled and almost crashed a few times.
Jay Murphy owns a cake shop downtown. He says it all started with a simple goal: to create a life-size masterpiece. And with being a huge Gaga fan and her coming to town, he thought this would be a perfect opportunity.
I'm a few hours away and still working.
The big debut is scheduled for 4 o'clock, just enough time for him to get to the U.S. Airways Center to see the show, but he's hit a couple of roadblocks.
The challenge is being in her face, so it looks like her and not like someone else. I've redone the face twice, her makeup twice. But last night, at one point, I decided it didn't look like her, so I cut it and peeled it all off and started over.
And he may face a few more. This morning, many of you were already lined up for the show, even though doors don't open until 6.
Her coming to town and the concert made a deadline for me to get it finished.
Jay says he's not sure what he'll do with her when he's done, but one thing's for certain: she is not for sale.
She'll stick around here. I'll have her out on display probably for a week, maybe. And then after that, I hate to say I'm going to throw her away, but she'll break down one way or the other.
Adam Slinger, ABC 15 News.
She's pretty accurate.
Yeah, I sure hope nobody walks up to it and goes,
yeah.
Frosting. Yeah.
Exactly. Ruins it for everybody. Well, they reached out to Lady Gaga on Twitter to let her know about the cake. No word just yet if she's going to stop by and see it in the next 90 minutes before doors open. Yeah.